Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can recover and save Word documents in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let me just quickly open a Word document and close the Word without saving it. So let's just wait for this Microsoft Word to open. Now say here, for example, I have this sample document. And I'll be exiting this window without saving it. And then, how can we recover the unsaved document? So please just follow the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So please open or reopen the Microsoft again. And here we need to go to the File tab. Once it is already open, here we need to go to the File tab. And once we have already gone to the File tab, we need to click on Info. This one here in the left navigation pane. And then once you have clicked on that, you will be seeing this Protect Document, Inspect, Version History, the Manage Document, and Slow, and Disabled COM add-ins. So here we have Manage Document option. Now once you click on this one, we have this Recover and Save Documents. Browse Recent Unsaved Files. Now once you click on this one, you will be seeing all this unsaved documents here. And from the list, all you need to do is just to select the file that you want to recover. And then after selecting it, just please click on Open. Once you have done that, the unsaved Word document is now successfully recovered. Now, if you forget to save, you can easily get it back using this method. Okay, so that's a very simple and quick tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.